this. We are going to show you.
And I start drawing.
Yes.
Then we will cut them. Wow.
And make our puppets then.
Yes.
So I'm finished. Good.
And your family, they can help you when you cut.
And you
The
have to be very
puppets.
careful with the
Yes.
scissors. Okay, now I cut my pattern. This is, what do you think this is going to be? And I cut a wristband. This is a very long rectangle. And now I put it between the ears of this animal. What do you think it's going to be? Girls, what do you think it's going to be? When I put it then on my hand.
It looks like giraffe.
Yes, it's going to be a giraffe. We'll see when it's going to be a shadow puppet. What's yours?
I have a deer.
You have a deer, and what's yours? I think it's a dog.
Dog.
Yes, it's a dog.
It must be dogs.
So,
Big ears.
so let's play with our shadow puppets.
Let's play with them.
Yes. Hello guys. I'm a giraffe. I have a very long neck.
Hello, kids. I'm a dog. I can run fast.
Hello, I am a reindeer. I am living in the forest.
Hello everybody. I am Turtle. I am walking slowly in the forest. And now it's your turn to make your own shadow puppets, kids. Have fun. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.